Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add friends, Facebook and Instagram, right? So how you can just do it. So here just follow the instruction carefully. Tap on the profile icon which is in the bottom right side corner, right? You have to just tap on it. Once you tap on it, on the top right you will see the three lines. Just click on this and here just go to the settings, right? By the way, if you don't want to go to the setting, that's fine. You can just also do it from here, discover people, or you can just go to the setting and privacy, and here you will get an option of invite, right? So basically you can see there's an option of follow and invite friends. Just click on this and here you can just click on invite friends by, and it will give you a lot of option. Here you have to just select Facebook here, and basically you have to write the, it will automatically paste your, you can see it at my Instagram ID. So I can just write here, for example, I can just write follow me on Instagram, I'm just now available on Instagram, so you can just reach me out from there. So this will get a notification as a post over all over your Facebook friends, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful, and if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.